Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm back with a slime video.
I'm gonna be doing slime.
But anyway,
I
really wish you guys would like and subscribe.
Yeah, can you like and subscribe? We are gonna put shaving cream in these.
That's
That's
our
gonna be
grandma
later.
leaves. Yeah.
And our grandma has to leave. Shout out to Diamond.
Shout out to Riley.
What's up?
But our for real shout out goes to Emily Markowski.
And
She's
mine
on my
goes
other
to
YouTube channel.
Kev, Gaming with Kev. I'm gonna send you guys something. You'll get something.
Oh, I'm doing a free giveaway. So the one who gets the most shout outs gets an iPhone XL.
If you hear that over there, yeah, she is doing a free giveaway.
And you get our merch. Very expensive merch. And it's for free!
Yep. Here's this crunch.
Here's crunch. Oh, we did do a SAMR challenge. I did the Pop Rocks, he did the gum.
And the Pop Rocks won.
Oh yeah, my cousin got this for his Christmas party. It's a drone.
Yank. 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 And here's the controller. 2 AA batteries. You can show them the controller.
This is the controller. 2 AA batteries. 2.
Not much.
Not that much. I'm the one who's gonna be out there upon the streets. To be motivated, motivated, get a little bit of motivated. Never see them motivated. How to get a motherfucker motivated?
You see that? Underwear.
Really? I have little kids on this channel. Ah.
But it looks like underwear. I couldn't help it. Sorry, little kids.
It's okay. It's okay. Do one of you guys want to be on my voice chat?
We will voice chat you right now.
I'll voice chat you, little dude. This little dude's such a big fan. Alright, this is going to be for my other YouTube channel. What's up? He's scared. Who are you talking to? I'm just talking to my YouTubers. Oh, okay. How old are you? I'm 5. I love your cousin's channel too. Want to say hi to him?
What's
up? I'll be back.
I'll be back.
And it sounded like mom. Okay. Is that the day you told me that sounded like your mom, but it wasn't?
Heather needs to protect your purity. She's married.
Cancel that phone call.
Cannot meet Brendan alone.
But she said one thing, right? No, that doesn't fit that. Put that there. I'll try to say.
Mom, you said Dad after a fell pop.
I have to, Rick. I think Rick is. Not. Matter of fact, you want this?
What's up, guys? I'm back.
I'm back.
forget how cold it is outside?
Try it.
I don't get to go up there anyway. I didn't make them go.
Oh.
Comment what kind of slime you think this is. Is it butter slime, fluffy slime, or is it just regular old slime? Comment down below what you think. Alright, little 5-year-old.
Regular.
It's your turn. Oh, by the way, guys, look at our new merch plate. We're still working on it. It's gonna be Team Cuz. So yeah, let's see our plate, little dude. Heck yeah! Here you go. You guys can put your name on it. Oh no, we will here soon. We're gonna sign it and then give it away. But to do that, you gotta subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check it, Unicorn. Hashtag Unicorn Squad or hashtag
And one unicorn.
So yeah, Unicorn Squad, guys.
You mix my shirt with Diamond shirt. And one with unicorn.
Let's show them our shirt. Guys, we will be mixing mine and my cousin's shirt together. One for girls too, and for babies. New merch coming out here soon.
New merch.
This is our second merch. But we're coming up with third merch. For babies included. It's gonna be like, it's
You
the
guys
time
may be like,
version.
how are you gonna make it, baby?
Yours is dirty.
No, it ain't.
I just saw black stuff all over it.
Oh, nice.
You mixed it in.
Well, now it's green, so.
You guys think I could jump rope with the slime?
Ooh!
I broke it. Anyway.
I just bought those for him.
Yeah, Jane, you took the first one out yet. Jane, you took the first one out here yet.
I look forward to the wedding, and I'm very excited about it. She has my blessing. I'll pay for the wedding.
Oh, baby.
I want to make sure that it's the wedding
Oh, crazy, crazy.
Connie has one request. Promise me that she will not become Mrs. Boswell. It's going to be Mrs.
So, yeah. So, the new merch will be dropping January.
Guys, when will the new merch be dropping? January 7th?
When we go back to school.
Yep. Hope you guys have a new summer break. Yeah, I'm just short. I was just standing up in my chair. It's okay.
Look. So, stretchy hat. If your slime ain't stretchy, it's gonna bam!
I will be doing a Harley Quinn theme here soon.
A beautiful merch!
Not a unicorn merch. It's the Halloween costume. These are our containers.
We just put the floor sign on there.
Because we want our friends to think that it's Flarp and that we're not cool. And then the next day we come in with a gallon of it. And like, ooh, is that Flarp? No, that is actually slime. Poke it.
Okay, I'll poke it.
It's slime. Oh my god, yes.
Slime! I was blind. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
We have made it. It's not dirty.
Dang it. Let's trade our slimes.
Oh, that was cool. So So what did you just say?
That's the oldest one.
Trade slimes. Play.
Play with slime.
Okay, here's hers.
Here's his.
Hers is way warmer.
Hers is his. If you call it. That's how easy it is to break.
I know, right? This is like so easy.
Watch this.
But if you take your time,
But if you take your time,
hers is so hard to pull.
his is so hard to pull.
No joke, guys.
Look, this is his taking his time.
Okay,
This is
yeah,
him
I
ready.
need my slime back.
I need mine back too.
Guys, I'm used to mine.
Me too. I liked it better whenever they were new.
I'm pulling as hard as I can right now.
This is me pulling as hard as I can.
Look at her pulling as hard as she can.
This ain't even as hard as I can. It's still stretching. You're a scam.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here.
Bye, guys. Peace out.